All right, this time we're talking about fractions, but we're going to be adding and subtracting them and with pronumerals in there. So algebraic fractions. All right, important thing with fractions is you cannot add or subtract them unless the denominators are the same. That's the note that we've made over here on our little study sheet. So these are not the same. So we're going to have to do some modifying. So here's the way I like to approach it. Is I'm going to multiply those two numbers, the two denominators, to get my new denominator, which is going to be a 6. 3 times 2 is 6. All right, the denominators are sorted. Now we've just got to modify the numerators. What did I do to these numbers to make them equal to 6? Vax, come and say hello to the camera. Vax. Come here. Come here, you bozo. Alright. Alright, say hello to the camera. Say, I just walked on Dad's work. What do you got to say for yourself? Get out of here. Sorry about that. Where were we? Oh, alright. What did I do to do these to make them 6? Well, that had to be multiplied by 2 and then 3 by 3. Do the same to the tops. So my 7m is also going to have to be multiplied by 2. This is going to be multiplied by 3. Let's see. 7m times 2 is 14m. 2m times 3 is 6m. I've got the same like terms on the top, so I can add them. 14m plus 6m is going to give me 20m on the top. My denominator hasn't changed. It's still a 6, but I can simplify that because I can put those two numbers into the calculator, or you can do it in your head. I can see that if I halve both of those, I'm going to get 10m over 3, which was our solution over here. Let me give you guys one to have a go at. Alright, you guys have a go at that one. 4x over 7 minus x over 3. The denominators are not the same, so you're going to have to do a bit of modifying. I'm going to pause it, let you have a crack at it, and then you can come back in a minute and see if we've got the same solution as me. See you in a few seconds. Alright, let's have a quick walk through this. I had to make my new denominator, multiply the 7 and the 3 together to get my new denominator of 21. So I have to modify the numerators. I had to multiply this by 3, so I do this by 3. This was by 7, so this is by 7. 4x times 3 gives me my 12x. It's a minus, so I have to put the minus in. X times 7 is 7x. I've got like terms on the top, so I can do that subtraction. 12x minus 7x gives me 5x on the top, 21 on the bottom. Even if I tried to put that in my calculator to simplify, it won't simplify. 5 into 21 just stays as 5x over 21. Good job. Well done.